Hello friends, in this tutorial we will study about static members. There are two types of members, static and instance. When we want to access members without object, then static keyword is used. Now we are defining static variable, which is a count. It persists one copy of variable throughout the program. It is defined using static keyword. We have defined count variable which maintains count of how many objects created of particular class. We have defined one method to display message about static method, which is also a static method. We will display this method can be called without object. And we will also increment the variable count. We are also defining one method for displaying count, which will display the current count of the object. Now we will create constructor for static class, and we can increment the count variable when object is created. Static method can be called by class name dot function name without creating object. So we are going to call display method, which is a static, and by creating a object we will see use of static variable. We have created two objects of static example class. We will call getCount method after creating each object. Let's run and see what is the effect. We can see first increment is happened when static method is called, and second and third increment is at object creation by constructor. So when we create objects, count will be incremented and it persists the copy of variable. Now let's define method as a static. Static method can only access static members, and we will also define a static class which only contains static members. So now onwards we can directly access all methods without creating objects. Let's see. We can see effect of a static. Thank you.